So they even put like a little bit of foam in the feet, but this foam is it's deteriorated now. Some sort of dampening absorption, probably resonance such. So yeah, I'll take the feet off of these, and that'll take a little bit off on the height. It's almost an inch. If I measure it, I'll get again about ½ inch the feet. So I'll take about an inch off in total. If there's anything I could else I could trade off. I mean, if I were to look inside, I mean, the lid's partly, don't know where the screws are. They must be in a little bag in the drawer. If I can't find any more screws, then I'll just trade off a screw from there. I'll just screw it down here. Just a couple of screws, maybe off on the back as well, just to hold the lid down if I can't find the bag. So improvise. These things. I can barely. Oh, flipping that. That is heavy. Ridiculously heavy. Oh dear. So as far as I can remember, let's just try and familiarise. These are the outputs. Where's the inputs? Outputs. Oh yeah, those are the outputs there. Here. What's that one say there? Oh yeah. SW probably won't be used. I might try and figure a way to augment. So here and here. Oops, here and here. These would be useful in steering the vector. Of course, here and here, these here and here, they'll go back to the regular side surrounds. Yep. And then the center, that go for matrix below surround, which is down there. No, not that one. That one back there. That one's for the other ones over there and there, and that's where. Too bad I ain't got another one of these, or well, 3 more, but they wouldn't fit in the main rack in the kitchen. Not without really redesigning the whole system. Otherwise, can take the extra channel steering for the floor level, the front up here and middle, and at the back row, behind the seating. I could take that to the next level, theoretically. So the inputting be any one of these, any one of the inputs. So I could use those, and then activate the PL2X. Theoretically, it should operate. It'd be a bummer if it doesn't, because if it's only going to be activated through the HDMI, which I did try one AVR, and I think that was the Marantz that I got, and it wouldn't enable, which I found that was a bit strange. It should have, because unless I missed a step in maybe the setup in the input settings. There's other menus to set up specifically for analog and digital and PCM, etc. HDMI, whatever, optical leading. Yeah, so would I use anything else on these? Don't think I would use any those, or I don't think I'd use any of the HDMI to do anything special, because it wouldn't really do anything special. And there'll be a few extra modes on these, which I'm thinking So this is something that I might just stay up for until I got them fitted in the rack. But it's you know, it's going to be a bit of a it's going to be bloody awkward getting one of these in the rack. It's going to be damn awkward, especially the weight of it, and it's very tight round down this angle. Oh, it's going to be a joy putting one of these in. It was a little bit easier in the kitchen, but it's not going to be easy round there. It's going to be very struggling to get that in, because that's like it's almost like well, if you think about it, it's almost the weight, the size of a freaking concrete slab, at least. Concrete slabs are often about that thick, I think, some of them commonly, you know, so it's like 1, 2, 3, it's like 3 concrete slabs put together.